statement wise execution of the C++ code that I am going to tell you, and you will have to give me the company over here. Mr.
Right, sir.
Aftab, will
Right,
you
sir.
give me a company over here?
Yes, sir.
I will tell you the execution of the C++ code statement wise. And the code, C++ code is before you. And you are going to give me a company over here to execute
Yes,
this code statement wise. Mr.
Yes, sir.
Aftab, are you ready?
Yes,
then?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. The first statement is what?
Int age.
Okay, dear student, Mr. Aftab, when
Yes, sir.
this statement will be executed, what will be done? What will happen?
सर हमारे पास मेमोरी लोकेशन एलोकेट हो जाएगी सर.
And the name of the memory location will be what?
Age, sir.
Okay, dear students, all of you do listen me. As this one int age semicolon is a declaration statement of a variable named age of data type integer. All right. When this statement will be executed, what will be done? I do tell you that a memory location will be allocated for the variable named age. All right. And what was the next statement over there?
See out, enter your age.
See out, enter your age. When
Yes,
this statement, that is see out, enter your age, equals, when this statement will be executed, what will happen over there? Do tell me, Mr. Aftab.
सर ये हमारे पास आउटपुट आ जाएगी मॉनिटर के ऊपर सर.
Okay.
Enter your age.
As we all know about the cout statement, that it is the console output. It is used to display the output onto the monitor screen. Whatever you will write, whatever you have written, that is enclosed within double quotation mark, that will be printed as it is. What has been written over there within double quotation mark?
Enter your age.
Enter your
assignment
equals.
Assignment operator.
No. Assignment operator is not over there. It is equal sign over here right now, as it is within the double quotation mark. Enter your age equals, this will be printed, displayed onto what? Monitor.
Monitor.
And for you all, the monitor will appear with no seconds. Okay. Onto the monitor, what is over there written?
Enter your age is equal.
Your age. Now two statements have been executed. Mr. Aftab.
Yes, sir.
Third statement you just need to just read over there.
See in age.
My dear students, do listen me carefully. When this scene statement will be executed, what will happen? You need to look at the monitor. All right? When you will do look at the monitor screen, over here, do you see a cursor is blinking, Mr. Aftab?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When the scene statement is under execution, what will be done? You look at the monitor screen. A cursor will blink again and again. Why does it happen? Okay, the blinking of the cursor requires us to give input using the keyboard. Okay, are you getting my idea?
Yes, sir.
When the scene statement is under execution, you go on looking at the monitor screen, a cursor will blink, okay, and go on blinking, all right? And it requires us to give input using the keyboard, all right? Now, I am going to use a keyboard over here, and I'm going to type over there 100. And as I have typed 100, that will be displayed onto what? The monitor screen. All right, my dear. And
Right,
after
sir.
typing the 100, then I do type the enter key. After typing 100, I do type the enter key. When I will type the enter key, that 100 that I have typed earlier on will be stored in the variable that we have specified in the scene statement. That age in the memory location of the age variable 100 will be stored. All right.
Yes, sir.
That was all about the story.